Cell envelope and its modifications. Most prokaryotic cells, particularly the bacterial cells, have a chemically complex cell envelope. The cell envelope consists of a tightly bound three-layered structures, that is the outermost glycocalyx followed by the cell wall and then the plasma membrane. आप इस ट्रिक से याद कर सकते हैं GCP, glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane. Although each layer of the envelope performs distinct function, they act together as a single protective unit. Bacteria can be classified into two groups on the basis of differences in the cell envelopes and the manner in which they respond to the staining procedure developed by Gram-Wiss. Those that take up this Gram stain are Gram-positive and others do not are called Gram-negative bacteria. Glycocalyx differs in composition and thickness among different bacteria. It could be loose sheath called the slime layer and some, while in others it may be thick and tough called the capsule. The cell wall determines the shape of the cell and provides a strong structural support to prevent the bacterium from bursting or collapsing. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable in nature and it interacts with the outside world. This membrane is similar structurally to that of the eukaryotes. The spatial membranous structures is the mesosome, which is formed by the extensions of plasma membrane into the cell. These extensions are in the form of vesicles, tubules or lamellae. They help in the cell wall formation, DNA replication and distribution to daughter cells. They also help in respiration, secretion processes to increase the surface area of the plasma membrane and enzymatic contact. In some prokaryotes like cyanobacteria, there are other membranous extensions in the cytoplasm called chromatophores which contain pigments जो कि photosynthetic होती हैं. Bacterial cells may be motile or non-motile. If motile, they have thin filamental extensions from their cell wall called flagella. अगर वो motile होते हैं तो उनके पास flagella present होता है. Bacteria show a range in the number and arrangement of flagella. Bacterial flagellum is composed of three parts: filament, hook and basal body. The filament is the longest portion and extends from the cell surface to the outside. Besides flagella, pili and fimbriae are also surface structures of the bacteria but do not play a role in motility. The pili are elongated tubular structures made of special protein. The fimbriae are small bristle-like fibers sprouting out of the cell. In some bacteria, they are known to help attach the bacteria to rocks in streams and also to the host tissues. Ribosomes and inclusion bodies. In prokaryotes, ribosomes are associated with the plasma membrane of the cell. They are about 15 nanometer by 20 nanometer in size and they are made up of two subunits, 50S and 30S units, which when present together form 70S prokaryotic ribosomes. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. इसकी वजह से उन्हें protein factory भी बोला जाता है. Several ribosomes may attach to a single mRNA and form a chain called polyribosomes or polysome. एक सिंगल mRNA पे बहुत सारे राइबोसोम्स होते हैं, इसकी वजह से इन्हें चेन फॉर्म कर लेते हैं जिसे हम क्या बोलते हैं पॉली मतलब बहुत सारे और राइबोसोम्स मतलब कि राइबोसोम्स. द राइबोसोम्स ऑफ अ पॉलीसोम ट्रांसलेट द mRNA into proteins. Inclusion bodies. Reserve material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. These are not bound by any membrane system and lie free in the cytoplasm. Example: phosphate granules, cyclophacine granules and glycogen granules. Gas vacuoles are found in blue, green and purple and green photosynthetic bacteria.